Good morning, everyone. Let's get this bread. Hey, the market was down a lot more. I don't trust this little pop into the morning. Definitely going to be doing some sitting and waiting. Here, let's see. Let me just share out the stream real quick. All right. And let's just. There we go. All right, so we got the stream all shared out. Let me get in, look at the messages, see what's up with y'all. Henry, good morning. Brandon, good morning. Swift 22nd, good morning. Black and Wild, good morning. MJ, good morning. Hey, thank y'all for coming through, liking the video, being a part of it. All right. Yeah, I don't fully trust this morning move, so I think it's good to kind of like wait, see what kind of happens. Cause we definitely have some levels, like we're so close to the downside that I think there's some stuff we still need to check. I can also see the Dixie kind of running up, so or like the Dixie is kind of coming back up, so I can see us making another move down. All right, let's see. Ravindra, good morning. Derek, good morning. Let's see. Here we go. Tatiana, good morning. Tommy, good morning. Tatiana, hey, we were wondering what happened with you in the what was it called? Nuck. Yeah, we were like, yo, where's Tatiana yesterday? Everybody was asking. Everyone's curious how that ended up turning out for you. Cause it went crazy. All right. Still in at 35. Oh, you're still in? I'll have to do a nut check. Okay. So you're still up? All right. Let's see. Yeah, I know what's it, Brother B's gonna be happy to hear that you held. Yeah, today is kind of wild. I was watching, I want to say it was at like maybe 4 or 5 a.m. I saw the SPY down here at 577. I was like, oh yes. I was honestly, I was ready to like pick up shares, but I was like, oh yeah, I kind of want to wait and see if things get cheaper. So while we're here just kind of looking at this to start today, I want to show y'all kind of some of the things I'm like looking out for. I don't normally like look out for daily gaps. Jello, good morning. But kind of looking at the SPY, like right here. Hey, let me make sure y'all don't get any ads. But kind of looking at the SPY right here, it touched 577 in pre-market. I feel like if I had to make some kind of assessment for the day, I feel like we might go up, hit a level, and then kind of sell off. That's just kind of my guess or assessment. Yeah, but I think we're gonna close this gap down to 576. Maybe we come up here and close this one up to 58 or 586 first. If we end up running up there, I'll probably take some sort of short. So yeah, we'll kind of see. We're kind of moving up there kind of fast, honestly. It's kind of wild what the market's doing. Honestly, I'm surprised we have stuff up. Like we got Affirm in the green. We got AI. Oh wait, no. Affirm's in the green though. Let's see. Yeah, Snow's kind of buying up. I want to say I bought like some wild calls yesterday from Derive. What price for Palantir to enter? So Palantir is trading in a range from 71 to 78. So if we were to look at Palantir, let's see. I mean, right now for me, like if we're looking at the range, this is not the best price to enter, but it's like just the trend has kind of been, if you look at the trend, 71, 78, 71, 78, 71. So if it continues the trend, you would think it's on its way up to 78. So if you insist on getting on, it would be kind of looking at the upside, and you would be targeting kind of like, it's really kind of been going like a little below 78, so about, I would say more 77.50, but I would say now, but honestly that's going to be your call. Like I can just show you kind of the data and what happens. Hey, what price you decide to get in, that's all you. Would recommend giving yourself some time for things to happen though, just because, you know, things could get wild today. I think we also have some data dropping in, what's it? I want to say 23 minutes. Let's see. Yeah, so at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, we have revised consumer sentiment. So be on the lookout for that. But yeah, I'm really watching this PCE because Azure. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, I'm watching the PCE because it hasn't updated yet today, but we're getting up there. So I still, like, once again, I still think we're gonna sell off, but I think we're gonna also do some coming down as well. Y'all, I got up kind of early this morning, like extra early. And it's not even because I like had a full night's sleep, but I felt like in the middle of the night I was like energized. I want to say it was like 3, 4 a.m. It was like 3, and I don't know. I was like, yo, I feel good right now. Let me just get up. But now I'm like, yo, I should have tried to go back to sleep. All right, so Mass 3DRC, good morning. I'm waiting for Baba to get to 75 so I can make long-term holds. So honestly, in my opinion, like I would say Alibaba is a good company. It really just depends on kind of our relationship, like how it turns on, like ends up with them. But let's kind of look at the technicals. I mean, I low-key see kind of a trend. Let's see. Like on the weekly, I might actually consider doing it at 80, because it's like if I were looking for it, because on the weekly you can see we kind of have this trend right here, semi-respected. You got 3 points, it's pretty solid. Also lines up kind of like Like, say it comes down on this week, which would be today, that would be $80 on this line. But say it's next week, that'd be about 80, 50, or maybe it comes down a little to 80. But yeah, you got this kind of level of support there. See if it looks any different on a daily. That moves it down further. 4 hour. I'm still getting about that 80. So that's kind of like, I don't have too much to say about it objectively, just because I don't know. Also, ultimately, it kind of just depends on our relationship and just like how things are with China, because there's not really too much. Like, the company is a solid company, but Moo, good morning. Chase, good morning. Hey, Chase, Tatiana's here. E-Kid, good morning. Skittles, good morning. E-Kid, right now I'm on micro MES, but it says halted. So usually whenever something's halted, that means it's just kind of like paused for a little bit. There's probably like, oh, it got too much volatility. It was moving too fast, so they kind of halted to like slow it down and keep things from getting out of control. But give it a couple minutes, it should start moving again. I didn't know they halted futures. What was that? There was something that I feel like I was just looking at. Chase says, "Sup Tati, we thought you got rich off ACHR play and moved to Dubai." Oh yeah, Tatiana, we came up with all different kind of scenarios and stuff for you yesterday. It was kind of wild. But yeah, I was like, I said she probably retired and doesn't need us anymore. But all good. You said, "Hey, you're welcome, me kid." And yeah, at least MES, we'll see. And you said, "Nope, might get out now." Hey, profit is profit. Yeah, never a bad time to take profit. Oh, and Skittles says, "Sitting on my hands today." I'm for sure sitting on my hands like this morning. Like, I feel like what I'm kind of assuming will happen, I'm assuming the SPY will move to 586, and I'm thinking we're going to sell off again, but I want to kind of wait and see how things play out. But Skittles, I'm going to Rodeo Goat tomorrow. I go with my wife. I'm like, yo, it looks kind of good. Might have to have one of those. I'm not sure I want to like waste a burger on a pineapple burger. I'm not sure if I want to do it, but I might have to have one of those pineapple burgers that or maybe get like a piece of pineapple and put it on the burger or something. I know Tatiana was talking about, the pineapple on the burger, so hey, might have to have it. Y'all are in here culturing me. I'm getting cultured. I'm not even overseas anymore. Appreciate that, Skills. Yeah, I was really excited pre-market. Like, I was like, I'm about to buy all this stuff, and you said save your money for a fried Oreo. Are you talking about that Rodeo Goat, E-Kid? They have fried Oreos there? I'm low-key not even sure I've had one. I want to say I have, like, I may have had one before, but I'm not 100% sure. Bet. E-Kid, just out of curiosity, like, what area are you located in? You ever eat Loco Moco? No, I have not ever had Loco Moco. Let me know where that is, or where you had Loco Moco. Tell me about it. And what was I gonna say? But I have had a Coco Moco. That's like something on the. You said, what do you think about Nvidia today? Let's see. Yeah, let's get to some stock stuff. Let's see. So Nvidia it's in a demand zone. I don't think, like, I would say personally, one thing on my watch list this morning, I said, yo, if you see Nvidia around this 126, this is really of my opinion, but this support looks like it's trying to hold. It's in a demand zone. Let me look at it on the weekly. I just looked at it on the 1 hour. Maybe it's not a weekly demand. Let's look at the daily. Next demand zone would be down here, but to me, if you were if this 2650 level holds, it looks good. Like it really wants to hold. It's still in the downtrend, but it's really trying. So I would really watch this 12650. Used to live in East Texas. You said, so I'm familiar with. Oh, no. So not. It's a restaurant called Rodeo Goat. But I've been to what part of East Texas? You know, I went to Stephen F. Austin, so I was out there in Nacogdoches. But let's see. Oh, Tyler, nice. That's cool. Wow, small world. Yeah, used to go out there too. I had a friend with his grandparents lived out there. We would sometimes visit them on the weekends, and my wife has had some tennis tournaments out there before. That's cool. Nice. Small world. What's my take on Apple? Yo, Apple has been holding up. I'm like, yo, everything is like super sold off. I'm like, Apple is strong right now. Yeah, it's still kind of strong, right? Yo, hold on. I got a lot to. I'm gonna just completely like clear the charts I have for Apple because or actually I can like hide stuff, right? There we go. There's like too much going on there with Apple. So right now, Apple, let's call this 426 level on Apple critical. If it loses this, yo, it's coming to 444, 443. But yeah, right now the range on Apple, this 46 level is critical. If it holds here, I mean, top end of this range is 250. If it gets above 250, next you got 252. But right now we're watching Apple between 246 and 250. Let's see. Apple needs to clear 250, 250. Yeah. I mean, yeah, we'll see what things want to do. Right now, I'm not convinced either way, like either direction right now. Like I see some stuff going up, I see some stuff going down, and I see stuff chilling. And I'm also curious about like if AI is gonna wake up just because of that crazy call I had yesterday. It was cheap, but it's like there was a lot of volume at that level. Lucky J, good morning. Where we dropping in here? I'm gonna drop this one today. Yo. All right, so I don't know why I feel excited right now. I don't fully know why, but I feel like a sense of excitement. I feel like there's a lot going on, but nothing going on at the same time. Hmm. Got a little pullback on sound. Let's see how sound's looking. Y'all better believe I'm like oh, let me turn those back on. I better believe I have. I'm waiting for opportunities to buy things. Let me do a quick check. Okay. Palantir. So resistance on Palantir is $78. Support is 71. Thus, the Palantir has been trading in the same range all week, and it's just been the same thing. I'm still like Palantir is the one I'm still bullish on because even after like on the when everything like just fell massively, Palantir is just holding up like a king. Like it kind of fell, like it kind of pulled back a little bit before everything else, but it's been in this range. It's been chilling, and not to mention like the trend line is getting to catch back up to it, so it might stay in this range until this trend line comes up and it kind of matches up. So yeah, we'll kind of see, but yeah, you got support down here at like kind of 71. You might see it like it's touched as low as 70.50, and then resistance like right here just below 78. What's up? Good morning, Darren. Let's see if we get a reversal on the upside. QQQ. So the Qs have had like a wild range today. So also notice that they are at their they kind of hit their 200 moving average, but I'm not convinced yet. I'm not convinced of anything yet. I think we will end the day lower. I think today will end up being a red day, but I think we will go up before we come down, but we'll kind of see. I'm kind of with Skittles for the most part, like in the sitting on my hands camp. I think the market makers are trying to like draw people in, and they're gonna like either move stuff midday or I don't know. We'll see. We will kind of see. All right. Let's see. SPY is still coming down. May take a quick play. So right now, I kind of like when it comes to SPY for me on the 5 minute at least. Like on the lower time frame, I think SPY is coming down today personally, but like looking on the lower time frame, looking at the EMAs, how they just crossed up, and looking at this trend line, as of right now, SPY is in. Oh, let me stop the ad. Some of y'all probably just got an ad, but I wasn't paying attention. But you won't get ads for another 10 minutes, so I'm trying my best. Yeah, but oh yeah, that bounced off that trend line perfectly. But yeah, as of right now, it's in an uptrend. I think we might find some trouble up here. I personally said like 586 here. Let me draw that level of resistance. If we come up to 586, I kind of want to watch how we do here. But if we come up here, I'm grabbing shorts for next week. We'll kind of just have to see. All right, we still have the PCE. The PCE's trying to like make his way back up as well. Do you think Meta will? Ooh, what's Meta at? Did it like fall like a lot below 600? Oh, it's not. Okay, it's not like too crazy relative. So it's at its 200 moving average. Here, let's go up to a higher time frame. So it's at a weekly demand, but me personally, like I would love to. Here, let me add an alert right there. But I would love to see Meta back at 550. It would take it's kind of a ways away, but I would love to see Meta there. So I'm gonna set an alert just in case it happens. That would be some wild stuff, but here, let's see if there's anything a little bit more realistic. That's a daily. I don't like looking dailies. Oh, I would call this a critical level. This kind of 586 level. I would say down to like 580. We'll kind of watch it. It's like I think it can keep falling, especially if it falls like, let's say 586. Next I'm watching for 580. It actually already pulled as low as 583 in the pre-market, so we'll see. Definitely just chilling right now. Definitely just chilling right now. Brother B, welcome. What's up? Oh, you know what? I gotta check on those shares I picked up yesterday. I do not. I last I checked, I was doing pretty poorly on them. Oh, hold on, y'all. See, Amazon's at my front door. Oh yeah, I'm down bad on those shares. I think I'm just in for the ride now. I'm gonna just hold those. We'll see if anything. I'll wait for the market conditions to improve a bit, see if I can do anything, but it doesn't even make sense to preserve that right now. Broadcom only green on my screen. We got green on IWM, Affirm, Snow. Yeah, hold on 1 second. I'll let y'all come with me, but I'm stepping away from my screen, so my audio may cut out. I'm about to get this package real quick. Did not want my wife seeing that. All right. Let's see. All right, let's see what we got. Bronxy Cairo, good day, brother. Spies at 589. Did it fall back down? Okay. Might ride it back down for a quick. Wait, hold up. What do you mean spies at 589? You mean if it goes there? Because if we could, if I could get puts for the spy. Oh, okay. You said wrong style. Okay, I was about to say. It's like, wow. Oh, you're talking about Meta. Okay. Or I would assume Meta. Okay. Because that's about the price Meta's at. Alright, let's see. Oh, yeah. You were looking at, yeah, Meta. Okay. Go back to a 5-minute, though. Yeah, right now, like, with what I could see happening today, I want to be on a low time frame just to be aware of the changes, watch the EMAs. It's one of those days to me. All right, so we got some data dropping in a minute. We got consumer sentiment. You can see it's a orange folder, so just want to let y'all be aware of that. Let's see. All right, we got about, what is it? Oh, can't even see because it's in the way. All right, we got about 40 seconds. All right, we got the PCE still climbing up. We got some people getting upside protection or downside protection. So I don't know. We'll kind of just have to see how things flow, how things go. Y'all know we have like two companies announcing earnings on Monday, and then that's it for the day. I'm starting to think we might just kind of rocket. We might just go up today because I'm seeing I'm watching the PCE. I'm thinking if we get enough puts in, hey, that might send us up. I'm not sure. I'm thinking like, cause it's like to those of you that were here yesterday, y'all know I got like some AI calls yesterday. I mean, and I'm not saying it has to happen. They're like definitely lottos, but I don't know. It's just like I feel like they come out of they come with reason. I don't know. So Tatiana, so Brian, she said she like held. She was still holding this morning, and like last I checked, when around that time it was at like $41. So it sounds like she's been for the ride. Luckily, she came back though. Thought she went and retired on us. You said what? Yeah, she went for the ride. Okay, let's see. All right, we got Nvidia kind of moving back up. Palantir moving up. SPY still kind of chilling though. Hold up, I think we see how the consumer sentiment came in. Okay, so that came in pretty much in line, just a little bit off. Made some coin, and then for it back. Oh, okay, got back in. Okay. Shares. Alright, said thought you would sell over 50 plus. IWM facing resistance for 5-minute chart. Here, let's take a look at IWM. Let's move. Alright, so I mean it's a little, but right now I would say that's still like it's still looking bullish right now on the 5. So yeah, there's a little resistance. Oh, hold up. I keep getting distracted whenever they're going to throw in the ad, so I'm not looking at the screen. And then they just slip the ad in there. Alright, but IWM. Yeah, on the 5 minutes, there's a little bit of resistance at about the 221.50 level. All right, now we got the PCE coming back down. Got people closing some of their downside. It's kind of like it's a very slow moving day, or maybe for what it is, it's very slow moving. Here, let's see. I've been wheeling Huma for months and have never been assigned. I bought 25 shares at 4 months. At 4 though. Oh, nice. Need Apple to get about 249 so I can short it. Let's go back to Apple real quick. Oh, you want it to run up so you can like ride it down. about to say. I was like, I feel like there's supports at like 246. And I think I had their resistance around like 50, 51. But Palantir's green. Yeah, we got some stuff moving up. IWM is like decently green right now. Hey, we could end up going today. It could happen. Palantir, it's in the green. Do we like the consumer sentiment? Yeah, we got IWM is testing that resistance again. Artavius, you did SPY this morning. Did you get calls? Hey, the calls was a good call. We're at the 200 moving average. It's like once we get around like 586, I'm kind of like hesitant, but hey, we're testing the 200 moving average right now. Said Palantir's taking off. It's moving a little bit. I don't want to throw a rocket in there yet, because that would make me think it's going like absolutely crazy, and I might be some FOMO involved. You said yep, but didn't get out. Hey, well, it's moving up. It's moving up. It's all good for now. Yeah, hopefully it keeps on keeping on. Hey, all this morning has been is just opportunity. I do want things to get a lot cheaper, but we'll kind of see. Oh, you had like you like swung a call. Oh yeah, that's. I hope it comes back to a good level. I've been well. I'm doing very well. It's like something about the holidays and seeing people and doing things that kind of. Some people it's hard for some people this time of year, but I always like it. Good morning, getting cooked on the SPY right now. No, not Nunet. Hey, you're like the SPY master. I personally like. We're at this 200 right now. Like, it would not surprise me if we like make our way to 586 and then get smacked down. But we got the Dixie kind of selling off now. So that would line up with us moving up more, but I also see the PCE selling off, so I don't know. Oh shoot, shout out to the 21 likes we got on the video. Shout if you smash the like button, or the 22. If you smash the like button, hey, this one's for you. Appreciate you. Alright, let's see. The firm's doing pretty well compared to everything else. The firm's up 213. Only reason I'm watching that is because Derive had it. Derive had it on there. I don't think I've seen anything for today, but This is week 2 for Henry. It's all else. This is a tough week in the market. Yeah, this is a tough week in the market. Like, usually I'll say give yourself time to be right. Like, usually it's easier to be, the more time you have on a trade, the more time you take in a trade. Or not necessarily the more time you take in the trade, but the more time you give yourself for the trade to come to your price or what you expected to do, the more you'll be right. But with the volatility this week, it's a little bit tougher just because, like, first off, things got a lot more expensive. Things, not only did they get more expensive, but they also got, what's the word? Oh, there's a lot more volatility. So if you had any stop losses, like, you can usually set a wider stop loss whenever you have more time. But it's like, because of how things moved or how much things moved, it was taking stop losses out regardless. So yeah, this was a potentially big week of L's. Like, I took some large L's. So actually, yeah, you are not alone. All right, let's see. AQB. Let's see. Oh no. Another one. AQB. How was it for you starting out option? It was much easier when I started options trading. The market was mostly just going up, so it's like I would, and options contracts weren't as expensive either. So it's like I would just buy an option. It could be calls or puts, but I would just buy an option and I would give it about a month, and usually I would take profit within a couple days just because that's how things were moving. But now it's like, I don't know. It's different now. There's a lot more attention on the markets. There's a lot more, things are definitely more manipulated. Let's see. And down and low. We keep hitting that 584 level. It needs to break though on this, or break through. I mean, we hit it a couple times, but honestly, it's making really good progress. Cause where we opened? We opened at 581. We're already at 584. Honestly, we're moving kind of fast today. Hey, the big one I'm watching today is I have like some lotto $40 calls on AI. This is going to tell me, is Derive AI like legit? Like, I closed out a bunch of calls, or I closed out a bunch of puts on AI like before the FOMC, and like after, the majority of them were like 400%, 500%. And I was like, dang, I definitely should have held on to those. So now I'm like, yo, let's see what happens. Agreed, this week has been rough. Lost my 13 winning streak. Hey, it's just, hey, dang, we made it above the level. All right, L is for lessons, learning, all that good stuff. Life. You hear a humming, buzzing noise on the stream? I would say refresh the page. Unless, I don't know, it could be like I had my washing machine going. I think it's done now, but I had my washing machine was going up until like a minute or two ago. It could have been that through the wall, the sound of it through the wall, but if you still hear it, I don't know what it is. I would say refresh the stream and it might get better. Tesla. Yeah, Tesla's trying to make moves up too. Let's see. Yeah, Tesla. Yeah, it's making good little moves. I'm not touching it, but it's making good moves. Meta's coming back up. Nvidia's coming back up. Palantir's moving up. Yeah, we're trying to make moves. Okay. Let's see. Government shutdown would cause market volatility. So yeah, if there is a government shutdown, like normally whenever there is a threat of government shutdown, the markets will go down. So it kind of just depends. I is there a threat of government shutdown right now? But yeah, there would be a level of volatility. Tesla was not clean for me. I wouldn't have held through it if not on paper trade. Tesla, so yeah, I would not have held that either, especially like I'm on the 4 hour, so all this down here is still like yeah, pulling back from up here. Yeah, this is Tesla's still in the downtrend right now, I believe. Let me see. Let me get that out of the way. Where are we at? Oh, hold on, I drew that in the very wrong spot. You know, it looks like it's trying to break. So we'll see how this candle does on Tesla, but yeah, we'll just have to see. Looking good on the 5 though. CRM making this move up. You said, yeah, there was a small buzz. IWM is flagging on 15 minutes. Yeah, I can see it on the 5. Yeah, yeah. That it is. Valentina, what? Is there a Valentina on here? Oh, okay, I see. You said I have XRP. Oh, I had some too. The other day, so I've been putting money in and out of XRP. The other day I sold out at like I want to say like 59 or 259 or something. Then we like sold off. I was like, good choice. But like the profits and stuff, the profits and stuff that I've made, I kind of kept in there. Yo, I think I may have just identified a spider. Yeah, I might have to get it. I may have to get it. Yeah, it's like legit right above the camera. Or not the camera, right above my laptop, but it's in the top corner. Hey, if it's just gonna chill there, it's fine for now. I'll leave it alone. Alright. So yeah, we might get taken for a ride today. I still said watch out for this 580 or 586 level. We'll see how it kind of does there. I am losing all the three suggestions I got 2 weeks ago from You said 2 weeks ago? If you got, so here, I want to say this. So with Derive AI, um, I don't know. I would say out of the past, like, if you look at 12 contracts or 12 that I looked at, I would say probably about nine of them hit. And not only did they hit, they went crazy. So, what's that, like 75%? And the issue for me has not necessarily been Derive AI. It's more like the timing. It's like some of them, I guess, they seem like they're just gonna expire worthless or not do anything, and then they go crazy. Like, I legit closed the puts out the day before, and I was like, oh, it's kind of weird that they just all those were nothing because they all had like that crazy open interest and whatnot. But then they just go crazy. I'm like, dang, that's like three different trades that would have gone like 400 or 500%, and that's not even including like where the opportunity was for them today because they actually went even, they dropped even more. But oh, hold up, I'm gonna save y'all from some ads. Yeah, y'all got another 10 minutes, no ads. All right, but yeah, it's like I guess it kind of just depends. Jello, you gotta like, I mean, I look for the superb, I look for the high probability, and I look for like a good percentage move. But it's like, once again, they're not guaranteed either. You said brew huge threat. Is that a ticker? Yeah, I don't know what that is. Let's see. If SPY gets up near 589 or 590, would you feel confident to take a quick play back down? I more want to watch this 586 level because if we look at it, oh, hold on, I guess that's the wrong. Oh, my chart needs to catch up. Yeah, my chart's a little frozen here. Yeah, I guess my computer's working too hard. Skittles, am I visible? Yeah, I can see you. Oh, you said there's a threat now. Okay, so yeah, I see there's a threat now. Um, oh, sorry, I meant bro. Threat, scare with government shutdown. Oh, really? I didn't even know that. Is this something that just happened? Dang, the spy on the 4 hour looks crazy. But really, I was. Oh, what time frame was I looking on? Was it the daily? I think I was. I don't know what time frame I was looking on. There was a reason I was looking at the 486 or 586 level. I'm trying to. I don't know what time frame I was looking on. Cause there was something I was looking at. I'm like, yo, there's a huge gap. It doesn't even make sense now. What was I? I'm not sure it was a spy anymore. Cause I don't see anything. Go to a 4 hour. Yeah, I don't know now. I don't know where 586 came from. Yeah, I don't even know. I guess forget all the stuff I was saying about 586. Yeah, I don't even know what I'm talking about right now. You said, what do you think about Broadcom? Um, it's an overall pretty bullish stock. Let's see. Kim, good morning. Good morning. Um, Azure closed on ARC 59 put and AMD 120 put from Wednesday from Derive. That ARC 59 put, that is one of the ones that I saw that was over 400%. Yeah, that's why the ARC is on my watch list right now. This isn't a stock I normally watch. Yeah. So the ARC trade, that was one of the ones I had, and I just closed out too soon. Let me get rid of this. On the day, Broadcom looks very bullish. Honestly, everything on the day for now looks bullish. We got the VIX going down. We got the PCE coming down. Yeah, I might change up my thesis. You said 586 might be the number. I'm curious where I got it from now, though. Is this a 4-hour chart? I mean, there is kind of like this right here. Like it is kind of like it like if you just look right here, it is kind of a level, but it's not as strong as what I had in my head. Wait, this was Wednesday, Thursday. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, no idea. I'm gonna go back to a 5 though. Yeah, we definitely like ran above. Hey, we could. Here, let's go. Let's look at the daily real quick. I mean, there's no fair value gaps. I still say we need to come down to 574 though. So I guess if we do come to 590, wouldn't be the worst area for a short if you get time. Cause I still feel like we need to come down and close that gap. We came so close. But yeah, we're running right now, or at least on the SPY. We're green on the Qs. We're green on IWM. I mean, we may not have one today because you know how they like to play games on Fridays. Maybe it happens Monday or Tuesday, and then I think after we get our downturn though, I think we do get our Santa rally. It was kind of I was very like hesitant about a Santa rally or the strength of one, but now I think this gives us room to kind of rally. Like we really needed a pullback. So the SMCI is doing good. Here, let's see. Oh yeah, SMCI is doing well on the day. There's a lot doing well right now. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, SPY is going crazy now. Go to a 15-minute chart. You know what? We might actually have the opportunity for AI to kind of go crazy too. What kind of crazy calls did I get yesterday? I just want to be aware of them in case they actually do anything. So I got an Affirm $72 call. Oh, that's really old. What else do we have? Got like a Nvidia 149 call. I don't think that was supposed to go that far. Okay, I don't think the main one's just Affirm. And then yeah, we'll see if anything comes of AI. Okay. No green witching day this year. 0-3. Oh, is today a quad witching? Or any kind of witching. Honestly, the question is going to be how far will everything move today? It looks like today could be a large day. We got some volatility. We got some movement. Like we just made a big move down on some things. Here, let's let me see if there's anything new on the screener. I don't even see anything on the screener yet today. Yo, these 10-minute increments just keep flying by. Cause like it seems like every time it's like I'll stop the ad from coming, and then like we'll just get I don't know. It's then I blink, another 10 minutes has gone by, and then there's an ad playing on my iPad. All right, yeah. So AI is making some moves. It's kind of wild. And IWM's up to 222. This is it's kind of wild. Let me move out to the 15 on everything. See when the next 200 EMA is for everything, because everything's being bought. Got like a double bottom on C3 AI. Dang, I didn't buy my AMD yet today. I was meaning to scoop some up like early. One was trading, I want to say it was around like 116 or like 118, something like that. Looks like up we go. All right, so I will say on a, no, actually, never mind. Forget that I was about to say anything. So yeah, IWM's moving. Next level is going to be about 224 on IWM. Yeah, we're just going. Tesla's already back at 440. Still feel like they're just drawing people in right now. I don't even know how to feel right now. Just out of curiosity, has anybody listening right now picked up anything today? I'm kind of just watching right now. Yeah, we got the VIX. The VIX kind of making its way down. Not yet. I'm with you, Natalie. Even though it's kind of hard watching us just buy up like this. Yeah, that's some serious movement. Honestly, may have been good grabbing a call in a put and just seeing what happened. Like right at open, that would have paid, but I picked up IWM, got stopped out, then it took. Hey, that's how it goes. I've been playing ups and downs on SPY quick. That's nice. Nope, still calibrating my indicators. Nothing yet. Yeah, we're a little over an hour in. It's like there's a lot of distrust coming from me right now. Yeah, I still need to know if that's a spider on my ceiling. It's just like a little black dot. But it's very peaceful right now, so I'm not too concerned, but I hope it's not anything fast. So that's never any fun to deal with. Bought a put on Tesla and got out quick. Hey, I'm glad you got out quick, because that thing is running up. Bought 200 shares of Nvidia in the pre-market. Nice. So me, I'm like, I was looking at buying stuff pre-market, and I'm like, oh, I feel like I might get a better opportunity today, but I guess you just never know. Yeah, I was hoping to get something at pre-market price. I was very overwhelmed in the pre-market. I was like, I don't know which one that I want to buy. So that can be one of the major downfalls to over-analysis, not being able to pull the trigger when the opportunity is there. There's a benefit to making decisions quickly. I mean, there's also a benefit to waiting as well, but yeah, there's benefit to back playing, quantum plays, QBTS, QUBT. Those were some of the ones I was looking. I was going to grab 100 shares of like one of the two. Like I was looking at both of them. Dang, that's already up 3. QUBT. Yeah. I'm sad. Here, okay, so we got, I want to say Pamela. She called out sound. Let's see I think she said on the 1 hour they broke structure. Let's go do it. Yeah, they did. They did. They did. Let me go out to the 4 hour. So they broke structure over here. I'm actually very confused. Let me go to a 4 hour. Here, let's check the range. Let's make that not red. You said, hold on 1 second. Oh, no. Oh. So annoying every time I see that pop up. It says ads inserted. YouTube is like a deviant with these ads. It's like if you stop paying attention, they're like, oh yeah, we're just gonna slip that in there. Just gonna slip that in right there. All right, let's see. Here, let's see. You said I got options. I was going to keep the NVIDIA long, but you're scaring me. I'm scaring you? So NVIDIA was one I personally felt better about. Here, let me see. Hold on, let me do what I was doing first real quick. Was it sound? One hour. So yeah, it's the 1 hour to the upside. Well, let me go back to 1 hour. Yeah, I kind of crossed down. Okay, let's see. All right, going back to NVIDIA. Here, we'll come back to this now. Yeah, so NVIDIA, what I was saying earlier, I was like, yo, if it holds up this 106 level or whatever, it kind of looked like money to me a little bit. No, it'll be nice if they close at this 4 hour candle, like in this next hour and 14 minutes, they close above Like if they close where they're at right now, that's good. That means they're in an uptrend on the 4 hour. So if Nvidia can hold right here, that'll be cool. But see that Nvidia had yesterday. Hot cakes, man, I'm too scared. Honestly, I feel you. You know, they say scared money don't make money. Just want to throw that out there, but also, you know, you don't want to be reckless either. What was I gonna say? What was I gonna say? Sorry, I got like a lot of screens looking at me. Broadcom finally thinking. I'm still thinking the rug will be pulled, Denny's. I mean, it's very well possible. It's not anything I expect. It's kind of, I feel like Nvidia kind of fell before everything else. Nvidia, Palantir. How's Palantir doing? Yeah, Palantir's up there at 76. Once again, Palantir, like if Palantir gets above 78, or yeah, gets through 78, that's something I would look to possibly get, but or maybe a short at 78, you know, play the range again, but Lucky J grabbed Apple put December 27th on my loan. Interesting. My guy got out early on SPY. It ran out. Oh, you got out? What's your technique on getting out? So I like to watch the EMA. So sometimes if it's running strong like this, like I'll look for a trend. Like I'll set like different levels. So first thing I'll kind of look for right now, I will look. Hey, if we're riding this, depending on how much time or like where we are, it's like I might try to ride this. Next thing I'll look at the 13 EMA. If it's close, if it's far away like this, I'll look at it on a lower time frame if I'm like already happy with my profits. Like right now in the 2 minute, it looks like we're getting kind of close. On the 1 minute, hey, it looks like we are falling down, but usually I don't love to go below the 2 minute. Let's see. This is a deciding moment for the Qs. I'm watching for a drop at 517. Honestly, this would be a good spot for the SPY to drop as well, just because, I mean, it's consolidating here. And then it's also at that level. But right now it's looking bullish. Got some prior resistance up here at 589. Donovan bought a put for Nvidia strike price 131, so I hope it comes back down. It's possible. But right now, I mean, the Dixie looks like it's still like kind of moving down, which is more kind of bullish. But it's still kind of early in the day. There's like so much push and pull right now. It's too much. I got my eyes on too much to do anything. Lone wolf play. I need the indicators. So the indicators, it's just the EMA. So if you go to indicators and, moving average exponential. If you type in moving average exponential or EMA, you'll click on that and then you'll kind of adjust it to how you want. SPY 589. I'm buying a put. Just need. Hey, I'm honestly down with that. I'm down with going for a put. It probably wouldn't be for today, but I think I'm down for it. Yeah, because right now it's definitely like well, right now it's kind of consolidating. We'll see if. We'll see what we do. Yeah, we got the Dixie trying to move back up again a little bit. Let's go to a 50. So we went from overbought to oversold on a 15. Let's see. Frustrating day so far. I don't know how I just got an ad. Nobody should be getting ads right now. YouTube's playing games. But yeah, let's see. I have my plays charted out and I miss them every time. Tesla taking sold. Do you see the... No, but just because I wasn't looking at Amazon, let's see. Wait. What time frame? Yeah, what time frame were you talking about? For me, it looks... I was like, I see, like, it's remnant a little bit, but I wouldn't quite call it that. I would say it's like closer to like a rounded bottom or something like that. All right, I'm getting kind of hungry. Okay, yeah, SPY's moving up there. As of right now, honestly, it looks like we're losing steam as well. So, see how we have like all this momentum, like big long candle, big long candle. All right, got some liquidity up top here, some sellers. And now this candle, as of right now, isn't looking as long. Oh, sorry. Okay, so Skittles, it's weird. Okay, so I forgot to hit something, but also like I got an ad on my iPad about a minute before the little timer ran out, And I shouldn't be getting ads, or nobody should be getting ads in that point. So I don't know what's up with YouTube. All right, so SPY is at 589. Let's see. What do my day trades look like? I might go crazy today. I'm gonna go on a really, really low time frame. Or actually, first let's look at it like this. So on the 4 hour, okay, so there is resistance here. We're also in the supply zone. Ooh, hold up. Let me see. Oh, so the market is open on Christmas Eve. All right, so I'm gonna go for a 581 put. That's about where we started today. Yeah, I'm going for a 581 put that expires on the 23rd. I just got one. See how that does. Let's zoom in. Move this on over. All right, I'm in right here. See if we can. It'd be nice if we could come down here, but yeah, I grabbed a little short. I might join Moomoo. Hey, Moomoo's cool. Yeah, Moomoo's a cool platform. I might be looking to make some kind of video to go over my favorite features and stuff in the coming month or so. Kind of like an all-in-one or something, because I feel like people have a hard time finding things. It's like people watch one video and then they don't know how. Do they? Yeah, they have stop losses. Yeah, they even have trailing stop losses. I don't really love trailing stop losses for options though, just because of the fact that unless you're like way up on an option, but I'm not the biggest fan of those just because of the way options pricing moves. All right, let's see. Yeah, that's what I got, Tommy. That is what I got. Let me share that real quick. Just grabbed a. Just grabbed a. What was it? $581 SPY put. I get it for 86. Reason. trade. Watching. Okay, so SPY's still, it's kind of still consolidating in this range. Let's see here. Let's see. What will 6.6 trillion options ending today do and when? I expected bloodbath. So honestly, it depends on kind of here. Let's see where the volume is for options. It's like we'll have to see where they want the options to go, honestly. Let's see. Let me get on Moomoo and look at these options. Honestly, we could have the market all over the place though. So here, let's look at the SPY options analysis. So looking at today, honestly, they probably won't let it get above 590. There's a insane amount of volume there. Honestly, there is an insane amount of volume up to 583 call wise. We'll see what ends up happening. There's also an insane amount of volume for 580 put, so it would probably not in their best interest for it to the 580 puts to hit. But also, oh, AI is still going. I'm really curious where AI is going to close out the day, just because of those calls I had. I took 2 583 puts for today, paid 30. You know my question, how long does it take for deposit money to get to the account? I think it just depends on how you want to use it. I want to say it takes like 3-4 days, something like that. It's like if you're doing stuff with stocks, you can use it like instantly. If you're doing stuff with options, I think you have to wait for it to clear. What's the difference between NVDA and NVDL? I want to say NVDL is going to be a leveraged version of NVIDIA. Yeah, so if you look at the percentage, whatever NVIDIA moves, this is going to move about twice the percentage. So NVDL is up 4%, NVIDIA is up 2%. So, all right, so SPY is at 590. Yeah, we'll have to see if it keeps going. Here, so I was looking at the volume. Let me also look at the open interest for today. I mean, in comparison, we got a lot of open interest at the 585 put level. I don't know. I don't know. Time goes so fast between these ads. All right. I just started using Robinhood a few days ago, and I think it's terrible compared to Moomoo and Weeble. Seems very unusually user unfriendly. Are we expecting any impactful news next week? Here, let's take a look. I feel like you probably have an ad right now, so I'll try to like slow down. But looking at next week, so we have consumer confidence on Monday. We got core durable goods orders, and new. So Monday and Tuesday, there's decent news. On Christmas, there is, I guess it's a bank holiday. Thursday, we get unemployment claims. But what I'll say about next week is a lot of Wall Street's going to be at home. There's not going to be as much volume. Okay, so they are really just running it today. Yeah, it looks like they're just trying to run it today because we're still moving. I'm gonna go up to like a 1 hour. Potential liquidity up here at 591. I'm gonna zoom out on everything. Webull and Robinhood have instant transfer with debit card. Yeah, I think Robinhood has like a lot of instant transfer methods. Okay, so Nvidia is still going up. Clean QQQ exit at 519. Will we continue going up to 523.83 or will we drop from? We will have to see. They might be trying to run some levels today. It's like part of me still wants us to go up. So these AI lottos just come to life out of nowhere, but it would have to go so far for that. I don't know if I see that happening. Yeah, it's just, hey, it's bullish. You said, oh wait, hold up. Here, let's see. So, what do you think about Meta? I don't have too much of an opinion. Its next demand zone or supply zone is going to be from this 600 to 607 range. I say above 607, it could move up considerably. Weeble makes me wait about 5 days. Yeah, honestly, it used to make me wait a good amount for Weeble. Yes, I get ads every time I start typing and every time you respond to my comment. Yeah, it's very annoying. Like, it's like when I'm looking at the timer, it goes by so fast. But whenever I like turn my head, the time just like flies away. As of right now, I got like 5 minutes and 25 seconds till it says the next ad is coming. Man, I into lock for, oh wait. Mana in the stock for the first time this month and lost over 400. I'm assuming you're trading options. This is a decent month. I would say don't let this discourage you. If you're trading options, I would start by like actually buying stocks. Like just buy stocks, especially like on days like today. It's actually a good time to buy stocks whenever there's been a dip. Buy stocks and watch them kind of go up over time. If you're trading options, hey, that's money you won't necessarily get back unless you do some finessing. It kind of takes some. It takes some. Oh, time to learn. Mike, hello, hello all. What's up, Mike? All right. Any recommendations when learning chart analysis? When you're learning chart analysis, practice it. Like do it on multiple different stocks. Like say like I would say like if like maybe if you're looking for stocks to do it on the SPY, QQQ, IWM, Tesla, Meta, AMD. Like do it on all those. Like check like whenever you learn something, do it on all those. Check it like once a day. See how they change. Learn those stocks. Learn the way they move. Learn the patterns and whatnot. And it's like as you see things and you learn the patterns and the way they move. That's all trading is pattern recognition and knowing when to execute. That's all like being good at anything is like pattern recognition. Let's see. All right, the SPY is still trying to move. So it's over here kind of messing with this level of liquidity. Let's see. Did I draw it in the right spot? Yeah. It's trying. Let's see if it sweeps this liquidity or if it just keeps going. New investor here, what do you suggest to buy besides S&P 500? Um, well, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this should be taken as financial advice, but I think over the next 4 years, if you're looking for an index, IWM should do well under Trump's administration. IWM is going to be the Russell 2000 or the small caps, and not necessarily everything is going to do well in it, but overall, like there will be some companies that rise up out of that and kind of lift it up and make it a lot stronger because of there should be a lot more growth. There should be lower interest rates and things such as that. Like the things that the administration kind of stand for. Oh, I see. I will delay the ads right now. All right, so hey, we got an extra 10 minutes, but the things that the administration kind of stands for is just kind of it's what the IWM and small caps will benefit from. I'm starting to think we may just kind of run today. Because it's like that Affirm play, it looks like it's kind of playing out. C3AI, it looks like it might be kind of trying to do work too. Here, let's see. What made things click for you? And oh, no problem. Well, what made things click for me? So I took like a mentorship. I took a mentorship, and basically it pretty much confirmed that I knew everything. Or I'm not gonna necessarily say I knew everything, but like, oh, it pretty much just changed the perspective on the way I was looking at things. I would say for the most part, everything that I learned in the mentorship, I already knew though. And it was really just the way it was kind of worded. And it was like a kind of like a shift in mindset that, I don't know, it was like the fact that the things going on externally in your life affect your trading. So whenever I kind of slowed down my trading and kind of factored in the fact that I don't know, if I don't sleep right, don't trade. If I'm not feeling good, like if I'm angry, upset, or anything, or if I'm stressed, or if I need to make money, it's not a good time to trade. It's like usually I do better when I'm relaxed. I don't need the money, and when I can actually see the trade through. So it's like whenever I guess stopped caring as much and didn't need it, or just trading whenever I was calm, it kind of started working out. Had to grab a couple Apple calls to balance out my Apple swing put. See how Apple's doing. Yeah, I'm starting to think we're going to run far today. How far, I don't know. I still want to see like how this candle closes. But yeah, I'm feeling like we might run far. I'll let y'all know the target for AI was very crazy. Here, let me I'm going to put like a stop level for this. Oh, actually, dang. The actually I might be able to hold my put cuz I'm still expecting us to come down. We'll see. IWM holding again and overbought in 5-minute chart. Here, let's see. I think my focus is down now because yo, I'm hungry. Like all I'm thinking about, my stomach is like. Rrr. So let's see. It's crossing overbought. So I like whenever I see overbought around 70, I don't really think too much about it. I like to see it at least above 80 now because I don't know. It's like a lot of times I'll see it at the 70. It's considered to be overbought, but it's like it'll usually go a lot higher. Hold up. Let's see. No problem, Mike. Mike, crypto coming back. Yeah, it's like I saw all this stuff down there this morning. I was like, I'm ready to buy. Now it's like, oh yeah, I'm going back up already. Random. I did a PayPal bank transfer today, and it said 3 to 5 days. Went through in 5 hours. Oh, yeah. PayPal does that every time for me. It's like PayPal always says. PayPal always says we can do an instant transfer if you want to pay a little bit of money, or it's like usually sometimes they'll say 1 to 3 days, or other times they'll say 3 to 5, but it says that it'll take all this time, and I'm usually just like, oh yeah, I'll wait. Sometimes it'll be like the same night. Sometimes it'll be like in a couple hours. But usually I get it by the next day. It's never like a long wait. Higher Bit Crew, good morning. Oh, Netflix is taking off? Yo, I'm ready. I'm ready for that Squid Games. Yeah, Netflix has good, decent movement. It's up a good little percentage too. Spy is kind of lagging a little bit compared to the others. Yeah, we got the Dixie kind of falling. We might end up going up some more. It's like the odds. Yeah, it looks like we might move. Let's see. Let it run. Let's make this last trade of the year. So hey, yeah, go on, let it run. I mean, I'm a little sad because I grabbed the call on the spy. No, I grabbed the put on the spy, and that's probably gonna not do as well. But hey, it's cool. I would be willing to sacrifice that put for the other upside I have. So let's see. I'm just going level to level today. No book. I feel you. So are you streaming Monday? Yeah, that's my intention. Uh, I would think it's going to be a slow day Monday, but maybe we can like play some games on. Like, ah, maybe we can play some games on stream or something. I don't know. We'll see. Um, what was I gonna say? I cashed out QUBT at $16 this morning. It's almost up to $20. I need to learn. Oh yeah, will. Yeah, patience is a virtue, as they say. Does Netflix go to 912? I mean, I would argue there's a very good chance that it'll go to 912. Just kind of at the rate of things, I would argue it'll probably go higher. Yeah, it wouldn't surprise me if 920 was on the menu, but we'll see. Oh yeah, I haven't got any updates from Derive at all today. Nothing. Here, let's see. What's your take on VOL? So it's not going to be good for trading options just because of the volatility, but it's going to move in line with the SPY. So it's good for dividends and it's good for actually holding in your portfolio. But if you're trying to trade options on it, it's not really going to be the best. Sometimes it can be hard to get in and out of because there aren't as many people to buy it. Lost $300 because of the SPY. Yeah, the spy has been definitely been playing with people today. It closed way down, or it opened way down. Dang it, I got hit with an ad. But it opened way down, and then now it's in the green from yesterday. It's actually up, I guess, $6 from where it closed yesterday, which is kind of wild. Don't know how to feel about it. Right, 1.5 for instant. Free is fast enough. Honestly, how do you feel about options? I'm trying to find a way to generate. Uh, so when it comes to options, I wouldn't call it. I wouldn't call it a consistent profit vehicle if you're like buying them, but if you're like selling them, like if you own 100 shares or if you can control 100 shares of a stock and you're selling the premium, that would be a more consistent vehicle for income generation to me. But options, it's like more like I don't know, I would say it's pocket change. Like sometimes you can make a lot of money, but it can also take a lot of money. Yeah, that's a good way of saying it. Options. Oh, you said options are fire. I thought you said options are a fire. I was like, yeah, that's a good way to describe it. Yeah, they're a fire because things can get messy. They can burn you. But yeah, options, they can be good. They can be bad. You really just have to take what the market gives you. Yeah, I'm looking. I'm very much looking forward to seeing where the market closes the day out, though. Oh, up 27% on my affirm call from yesterday. That's nice. Shout out to Derive. All right. So when my sell call ends today, I get the 100 shares I bought and the premium because it didn't hit the strike price. So if you own 100 shares and you sell the call, and yeah, if it's not in the money, if it doesn't hit the strike price, yeah, you get to keep all the premium. You can also buy it back if it's at a lower price than what you bought it at, and you get to keep the difference. So yeah, if it like, cause sometimes you never know what happens. Like it could get bought up very high, and if that happens, you're asking how to buy it back. If you were trying to buy it back, if you sold it, you would just go to that same contract and then you would hit buy and it would say buy to close and then you would pick whatever price. So if you sold it for 100 and it's now trading at 55, you can buy it back for 55. So yeah, you would legit just go to the contract and hit buy to close. Or you would hit buy and it would. Thank you, I appreciate it. Yeah. It's typically the more profitable side of options is whenever you can kind of make those calls. I watched your video, that's why I'm trying. Oh, that must have been an old video. I definitely want to like make more content over that, but it's been a while since I've gotten that stuff or done that stuff on the channel. Oh yeah, we're moving on up. SPY's moving on up. Yeah. Qs are moving on up. Let's go to a 1 hour once again. Very bullish on the day. Exit for 90. Grateful to make $1 at this point. Hey, honestly, yeah, profit is profit. But yeah, 90. That's even better. I'm sure y'all hear some noises. My dryer is going right now. And yeah, so if you hear some weird noises, that's just the dryer. I'm trying to find a way to generate income so I can leave the workplace for good. I'm new to the stock market. Where and what should I invest my time and knowledge to learning? Are you talking about for stock purposes, or are you talking about for freedom purposes? Because I might start elsewhere. Like if I'm directly if you're trying to get rid or leave as fast as you can, I might look elsewhere first. But yeah, if you're talking stock market, I don't know. It's like I would honestly, if you're in my Discord, I've been paying attention to some of the stuff that Alpha Trader, like, he gives suggestions in the chat every day. And he has like a lot of penny stock plays. I don't like check in on all of them. I'm probably about to start checking in on more of them because a lot of them end up going crazy. On the lowest of keys, that's like a free resource in my Discord. It's Alpha Trader. Like, it's like if you only have a little bit to play with. Philip, I would say no good ones, but I got some from yesterday. Like I got the Affirm call on Derive, and I got C3AI on Derive. This one was like super far off, but I'm just seeing what happens. We'll see if it plays out. It's like a 440 call that expires today. If that hits, hey, that'll be something. The target was like 47 for it. But yeah, if it comes anywhere even close to that, hey. Oh yeah, NVIDIA. Oh yeah, oh yeah, I do have a call on NVIDIA. I grabbed that from Affirm yesterday too. Or not Affirm, but from Derive. So you said freedom. So honestly, pick something and show up every day. Or show it, like, just do it consistently. Honestly, I would say if you can get some kind of form of attention, like dang it, I got an ad. Wait, I shouldn't have an ad right now. They shouldn't be giving me an ad. That's so weird. I have like 4 minutes until they're supposed to give out ads. But honestly, if you can command any kind of attention, like if you just start sharing your life on like Instagram or on YouTube or anything, like any kind of angle for your life or what motivates you, there are other people out there as well. And that honestly would be the best way. I would say if you like research how to like grow an audience, that'll yield you the most overall, because different brands and stuff will reach out to you. Um, you'll get opportunities to have free things, and the more free things that you actually use, like if you're paying for something and now all of a sudden you're getting it for free, your lifestyle is cheaper. And it's like as your lifestyle becomes cheaper, and if you are getting stuff free, then you're able to also sell that stuff as well. I don't know. But it's like I feel like if you can get some attention, that'll go a lot further. Like say you have some sort of old car and you're like, "Oh yeah, this is what I do in this car." I don't know. It's just like really random. It may not be like trading content, or it may not be whatever, but it's like you can legit make content about anything. It's like I have friends that make content about running. I have friends that make content about like they have like car simulators and stuff like that, video games, and it's like you get like just have what you like to do and share it, document it. It's like people like that. Uh, yeah, I've been in futures and I picked up really bad sizing habits. I want to get more patient. Oh no, not the bad habits. Oh dang, yeah, the spy. I mean, I have a bad habit right now. I'm still holding the spy. Freedom. Expect Nvidia to come up today. Yeah, Nvidia is, yeah, it's definitely like buying up from this demand zone. Let's see. I was looking on the 4 hour real quick. Oh wait, wrong. Yeah, we're looking super bullish. I'm gonna stay till the end of this 4 hour candle. Oh, one thing I noticed, if we look at the Qs, it's pulling up to the 48 EMA. Yeah, let me see how everything looks on the 4. Let's look at C3AI. Oh, we'll have to see. If you have capital, all the research I've done says options is, yeah, options is nice for, yeah, if you have money, yes, it's nice. Um, I like buy low, sell high. I like to buy stocks that are severely undervalued. Like whenever I bought Tesla, that was severely undervalued. I bought a PayPal. I wouldn't say it's as severely undervalued right now, but I still see PayPal going up a lot more. Now I got my eyes on AMD. AMD is like the big one that I'm kind of loading up on right now. Let's see. Here, let's see. I did collect $20 profit yesterday on that AI call. Just played the testing of the view up. Nice. I got that call like extra late though, so I got it for a lot cheaper. This pop-up is almost as big as honestly. What NVIDIA option did you grab? I don't think it's a good option, if I'm being honest, Ethan. But it's like a 150, or it's a 149 call that expires next week. I'm actually down on it. I'm down like $3 on it. I don't think it's a good option. I pay $18. It's trading for 15. But I'm gonna see how it does. But yeah, I don't think it's a good option. The hardest part of trading is getting to a decent amount of money to actually trade with. Yeah. So it's like yeah, it's like if you actually take the time to build a portfolio, it gets a lot. I don't know. I'll say it moves a lot more. It becomes a lot easier to generate more. It's like whenever you can actually take profits on a move, or I don't have cash over to the side to buy a dip. It's like it's nice once you have enough to work in there, like have enough in there to like work for you, but also what's the word? But also have like money in there to buy the dip as well. Like say like I don't know, it's like I took profit on like I took my initial investment out of Tesla on the when I started on the channel, and now I just have kind of like dry powder. I was going to use some of it to buy the dip this morning, but hey, I was overwhelmed. I didn't have like one specific one I wanted. Like knew I wanted some AMD, but I was going to buy some of that anyway today, so I was like, I'll wait, see if anything gets better. It did not get better, so now I still just have some dry powder in there. Yeah, Spy went crazy. The Qs went crazy. They're all The Qs is even crazier actually. It's almost 2%. IWM's almost 2%. It's actually like percentage wise even crazier. Hey, welcome to the family, Mike. If you see the section for Alpha Trader, or okay, something people don't do. Let me show y'all right now. So I see a lot of people in the Discord, right? I have this verification channel here. Let me show y'all actually. So there's this verification channel in the Discord. There's this page that talks about like, yo, welcome to verification. Click that. This right here at the bottom. That's how you get your role to see the rest of the Discord. Because, a lot of people kind of just go in there and they have no idea what's going on. And they'll like kind of like message me, or they'll be like, I can't see anything in the Discord. Click that button and you will be verified. Or I might have just opened it up. I'm not 100% sure, but yeah, if you see that, click that, man. Oh, you said Discord link? Yeah, 1 second. Let me, here, where we at? Oh, did you see it, JC? Let me show it one more time. All right, so with the Discord right here, you'll come in, like I think you'll have like a start here, and then there's this verification channel that you need to be able to see all the other channels. You got all the rules, it says welcome. Yo, most important one, this is non-financial advice. And you just come down, you hit the little check right there, and then you have access, or you can see everything, or most everything. Oh, you said Patreon. So the Patreon, that gives you access to the Discord. You have to, if Discord doesn't show the verification, if you don't see the verification channel, you're already in there. Mass 3DRC, you're already in there because I saw your comment in like a different channel the other day, so you don't have anything to worry about. Mike, yeah, you'll get, when you sign up through Patreon, you'll be able to do it too. You just need to connect it through Patreon. Don't miss out on. Oh, is DJT moving today? Oh, it doesn't look like it's doing anything today. Or, I mean, it doesn't look like it's gone anywhere, but maybe it is doing something today. What's its journey look like today? Let's see. I mean, it's still on in the red today. Yeah, yeah, y'all are good. You said check out the article. Let me see. Trump transfers his stake in Trump Media to revocable trust. Says shares fall. You said dang near his whole net worth. Hey. Alright. I mean, it's about to sell off. Hold on, let me. Or sell off even more. Yeah, what kind of move is he making? I mean, yeah, it's interesting. Yeah, we'll see. I mean, it's not something I find too much value in. Here, let's go over to Palantir though. So Palantir, once again, is back at the top of the range. If there is a short to take on Palantir, it would be here. Like once again, coming back to this, but yeah, this would be the level to just made back the money I lost with the lost in IWM with the SPY. Nice, nice. Yeah, so to those of you looking at Palantir, hey, it's at the top of its range. If it wants to go up even more here, hey, that's cool. If not, this is where it would come back down. So yeah, let's actually give Palantir a little attention. Let's see how it does here. I'm gonna stay on the stream about 10 more minutes or so, just cause I want to see how the 4-hour candle closes out on everything. See what kind of momentum it looks like we have. But I am very hungry. Okay, Palantir is trying to pushing. See how it does at 78. I mean, it's come a little bit higher. Let's see. Go. Yeah, it's a little bit higher than it was. Yeah, yeah, it's days like these that are there very hard to trust. Very hard to trust, but hey, sometimes it is what it is. Dips to 15. Yeah. I would say yeah, 15 I feel comfortable. I feel comfortable buying it. The IWM got stopped. I got stopped is up over. That's always annoying. Should I just get out on my spot put while I'm honestly days like today? I mean, I would say weigh your put, see where it's at. It's like days like today are made to kind of shake you out of your trades. They could push it up. They could continue to push it up. They could reverse it. Um, if there is anything there to salvage of your trade and you can't take the ride, then yeah, cut out. But if there's nothing to salvage, may as well hold. At least, wait, hold up. Watching 595 resistance. Oh yeah, there's that there's also that what is it? There's that 200 EMA there as well. Let's go Palantir. I kind of want to see Palantir reject here. But and it's like if we're gonna run up, I want to see us like run up, run up. Because I really want these AI calls, like, or I'm really like hopeful for them. But they're like so far away. But we still got like a lot of time today too. All right. Yeah, the market is way back on the up. All right, so Palantir. Let me go to like a 15 on. Oh, hold up. All right, so as of right now on the 15, it just looks like liquidity. It's the last candle I'm looking at today. I'm in a SPY call. IDK if I should get out. So me, if I don't know how long you've wrote it, but I will watch the EMA. Like if you've been able to ride through all this, I would watch the 13 EMA on the 2-minute, and I will wait for a complete candle close above. Because if you look at this run, like it's come down to kind of touch the 2 EMA, but we haven't gotten like a complete candle below. So it's like even like right now you wouldn't be out of the trade. You would be considering right here because it's honestly this is the most below it has been today. So maybe this is where we get our reversal if we get it, but hey, we'll see. Yeah, Palantir hit resistance and it like it's getting slapped down a little bit. I'm gonna sell out my Nvidia. I mean, I'm not even up on it, but I think that call on Nvidia was bad, and I'm not trying to just wait around to see if anything like extra crazy happens. Master RC, I bought some AI calls also, and right now they are worthless. Yup. No, yeah, they would really, really, really have to run. Yeah, they're so far away from anything. I'm a little tired, but I'm also like I feel good. Like I'm about to eat, get a little life in me, and then honestly today's gonna be a fun day. So I would say I'm chill. I wouldn't say I'm tired, but I'm chilling right now. Some nights lately I go to bed, portfolio up 3 or 4, wake up 3, -3 or. Oh yeah, that's volatility at its finest. All right. GGS Focus. Yeah, that's a good way to describe it. Kind of focus. All right, so like the spies. Notice we got like that wick right there. I wouldn't be out yet if I'm watching on the 2 minute on the EMA. I would still be holding my call. That wouldn't shake me out. I'd still be riding right now. Unless I just really wanted to take it and I was like, yo, I'm tired of riding this or tired of watching this. Nvidia coming down now, is it? I see Palantir coming down. Let's see, Nvidia. No, Nvidia still looks kind of strong. I don't know. Yeah, Nvidia looks like it's still moving. Oh yeah, we did. This was the main one I wanted to watch on the 4 though. But this looks bullish. Really bullish. Hey, we got 3.5 minutes to get our answer though. I'm out of 100 trades in on only 3 are down right now. Nice. That's nice. So that's a good ratio right there. I noticed around lunchtime the market starts going down. Is that common? So it's not necessarily a lunchtime thing, but if you like 27 minutes ago, the European markets closed, and it is common for after the European markets, when they close, kind of whatever happens in their markets, they'll kind of come bring that same energy over to our market. So it's like their markets get closed, they're like, oh cool, now let's go trade the US markets. So it's like usually around that time we will catch volume from people trading in the European markets. So you could say it's kind of it's common if you want to call this lunchtime, but I think the cause is the European markets closing. All right, we got. Oh yeah, it looks like we could keep moving up. Also, could have a double top. We'll see, but yeah, we're still moving up. Yeah, yeah. Nvidia said it doesn't want to go anywhere. We got a minute and a half. Palantir looks like it might go too. Yeah, Palantir said it cannot be broken. Got you something new every day in this. Hey, 100%. Hey, that's how you know you're living. Where'd you start your trading journey? I dropped out of nursing school, and I started with investing in stocks, and I was like watching videos on YouTube to just learn more about stocks, and then somebody said don't trade options, and naturally I was probably about like 20 or 22 at the time, and I was like, ooh, what's that? And yeah, I kind of just like I don't know, I started messing around with it. I had no idea what was going on at first, but I made money and it worked out. So like at first I was up and I was like I thought it was illegal at first. I was like I can't, I don't have any like I don't have 100 shares to, I can't buy 100 shares of these. Is it legal for me to buy these? These are like legit questions I had when I first bought options or like traded options. I was like, oh, I'm up so much, but I have no way to buy these. All right, so we got the close. All right. Yeah, my verdict is we're bullish. Like all these candles, there's a good chance we get another bullish candle. I will be very, very ecstatic if C3 AI goes up. Honestly, it's possible. I don't see them getting to that target of like 447 or something or whatever, but I could see the 40 possibly happening. I would still say the odds are low, but it's possible. Oh, hold up. All right, but yeah, that's gonna do it for the day. Um, Skittles, have a great week, good weekend. Enjoy your burger. Oh yeah, I don't even know what it smells like yet, but I'm looking forward to it. Looks like 595 is resistance. Yeah, we'll see. The questions I have now. Hey, save them for Monday. No trades for me today. Hey, good stuff, good stuff. Hey there, just popped over from my tablet to waive the caution. Expect to have more opportunity to take profit. Yeah, yeah. I wish you would have said that earlier, but I very much appreciate it. I only took like one small trade today, so it's cool. But I got other ones that could do some wild stuff, so we'll see. You said enjoy the pine. Hey, we'll see if I'll try to go for the pineapple, but it's like there's something in me like I don't know. We'll see. I might have to get two burgers just so I can try the pine. I'll try the pineapple one first, and then I don't know. What advice would you give to similar position to me starting out? Uh, have a portfolio for actually buying stocks. 10% of all you earn, buy stocks and hold on to those stocks. Don't sell out of those stocks to trade options because it's like I had probably about maybe $5,000 worth of stocks like built up. I think I took my student aid money, right? Or financial aid money. And then I put it in the stocks and I was making money from it. And that 5,000, this was like 2018, but it'd be worth over 300,000 today. Just the stuff I had Tesla some stock splits ago. I had Apple some stock splits ago. I had Nvidia some stock splits ago. Um, I had a lot of tech stocks that have gone crazy, and had I just held on to them instead of like selling them to I don't know trade options, then yeah, I'd be doing well. Hold up. So yeah, appreciate you, D Money. You have a great weekend, Tommy Hill. Thank you, Matt. Hey, we signing out, but hey, appreciate you dropping in. Peace out, Lucky J. Hey, happy holidays, Matt. Is a pineapple burger a burger with honestly, I don't know. Hey, I'll post it on my Instagram. I'll let you know. I know you're on the Instagram. Skittles. Hey, 100. Pineapple on the hey, I like it, Gladys. I like it. Hey, beef patty. All right, y'all are wilding right now. Hey, peace out, Henry. Peace out, Skittles. If I don't see y'all next week, honestly, I'm gonna say it's a good thing if I don't see y'all next week. I'll be here next week. But if you're enjoying life next week, do your thing. Peace out, Derek. Peace out, Philip. All right, y'all. I'm signing out. Hey, y'all have a blessed weekend. If I don't see your name in here, no hard feelings next week. Y'all enjoy y'all's week. Happy holidays. Peace out. Matthew Manuel signing out. And I want to change your life. Peace out, Chase.